You can be checking up on his welding.
Absolutely, anytime. Hey! Wrexham!
What happened there?
I've been moved.
Yes, did you get balanced?
It looks like it. Oei, yes, ek het nou vlieg. Kom so meer. No, but he's in a different squad. Shit.
Just join my squad.
Okay.
See if I can set shit alight. That doesn't burn. At least now I don't have to worry about reloading.
Yeah. But actually, when you do get repair tool, it sounds very much like you're being shot, you know what I mean? With that.
Keep still, Tim, yeah. Stand still. It'll only hurt for a little bit.
If I bright them here with a repair tool.
Check! There's two of you!
Whoops! 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 Ach nee, dit is een toerecht al.
Hey, wipe the squad out.
Zeker een keer aan de repair tool.
Here I come.
Sorry, Tim, obviously I can't revive him.
Oh, kijk. Repair tool, vol.
I think if we stand a chance, we must go together.
Alright, wait for me. Where are you going?
Anders kan die man het ook welders. Dat is maar slim, man.
Alright, where are you? Alright, let's go.
Just like. Let me out.
What's he doing?
It looks so funny to watch you guys.
Think you need to, when you have to weld with the egg one.
Hey.
You say that you're recording him.
Yeah, I am.
Well, that's gonna be good.
Here they come.
Check you guys. Ooh,
That's a grenade.
We must pick a target.
Let's go kamikaze. He's the closest. Yeah, but he killed me first.
I got some here.
I was braaiing his head, but it didn't work.
Oei.
Yeah, stay alive, I'm coming. Right, I gotta find out which one is my repair tool. It's too easy for them to braai you up here. They braai your feet.
Okay, then you jump on their heads.
Keep still.
They fry your feet.
Yeah, we call it runners.
5 minutes.
Who's recording?
Me.
Oh.
That definitely did not feel like a repair tool. Maybe if I stand in water, if I wet myself, it'll be harder. Nope, that doesn't work.
That's definitely easier.
Why didn't you get any damage?
Who?
Good fire.
Yes.
Nee, hier zie je.
Dag.
Hey, nah.
Yes, ik kreeg me af tot 42 toe.
Yeah, I'm on 20. We got
Die truc
Braai.
is om weg te blijven van die andere kant. Je moet hem net zo raak moeten.
Ja.
You see the mess it makes when you braai your body.
Was je het lekker sirloin vandaag?
When you bride the dead one's body.
Yeah.
I'm sure it's quite easy.
Yes! Ja! Ja, skrik ik nou?
He's tenderizing you.
That's a moose and melon. He's alive, it can only be.
Yes, ek recharge het gauw. Ek het 10% zelf voor maar een ongeluk.
You're stuck. You're stuck. Yo.
heb nog geen kill gekregen. Mijn blauwtoeltje gas is klaar.
Ja, mijn gas was uit.
You guys just bug it in the head.
Oh, jeez.
Wacht voor mij.
Oh,
I've only got 2 kills. Spitfire's got hacks. He's got 11 kills.
Spitfire stand stil.
What have you got there, Spitfire? Because it can't be aim hacks.
spring me up.
Ik zeg vir julle, ek het 'n industrial arc wel.
Kak, I'm already on 20% health. How the hell did that happen? Said, mate, you're on your own. I'm running away.
Oh. Die komt Mission Impossible.
Exactly.
Well, it's Chinese music. It's gonna really bad. Hier kom er. Jy.
Anna, wat zeg ik, man? Yes, stuck.
Okay, come. Let's go. Get him.
Will you get the hacks for that repair tool?
I'm telling you, he's got an aim hack for that thing or something.
Yes, he's got such range on that thing.
You know what the trick is? You must hold it in.
I'm boiling some water here. Just coffee.
Minecraft scene.
Okay, listen, hide away. Here comes the helicopter again.
Ah, all weg.
Oopsie, sorry there, man.
Okay, go get them.
Oh, wacht, kom je helpen.
Hunt him. It's on. Oh, en hy brand ek.
You can't run so fast when you've got...
Stay away from me. Stay away.
There you go. Kill streak stopped.
Nice.
I've got a death streak going here.
Okay, kom ek. Nou kom julle. Het jy al ooit 'n chopper in my gebouw gesien?
Okay, time to run.
Nee, man.
I only had 10% health left.
Yes, I was following you. I was thinking, yes, like, how can I run faster? Yeah. I've got 30%, so not going to take long and I'm dead. Oh, yes.
We're gonna find you first.
Yeah, Spitfire found me properly. There, come! Oh, 2 against 1. You dead. Yeah.
I didn't even get there.
1 second. Darian!
Ina.
Let's go set the helicopter right.
Okay, cool.
Hey, don't be ugly now. Jeez.
Fixing it.
Look at my modifications. Like, I'm putting on a boot spoiler.
Just drop the suspension there, but please.
And cut the roof.
Yeah, it's time to put in a tilt and slide sunroof.
Oh, yes.
Now the helicopter's poked.
Yes!
Okay, let's dance.
Why can't I get a kill?
Come back here, kamikaze.
Kamikaze, run!
Yeah, foot check. I'll run through the fire.
Wait,
That's
I
no good.
haven't got the right tool yet. Ach nee, stand still, I want to get a kill.
Kom hier, die toaster wacht voor je. Can I teach you guys a hack on this thing?
Yeah?
Never ever move back, always go forward.
Okay.
Because if you move back, then you limit the range. Jee, hier komt een chopper. Hol weg.
I know.
I also want to kill.
Run, Timmy, run. I love your skip.
No, yes. Wat is nou nog?
Net zo.
I moved back, you see.
Ja.
I didn't even get a hit in.
Kak.
You know how funny it looks from the side?
Hey,
Wij hebben een kill assist.
I had a kill. Finally.
Timmy, a Braai Crusader.
Look at all these flames. What the hell?
Oeh, yes, okay. Yo.
Ja.
Softening us up a little bit, see?
Hey, you said that was close.
Yo.
Ja.
Oh, brilliant.
Ik moet zoeken met weg.
Kamikaze, waar is jij?
You're gonna be late for the Braai.
Jeez. Hier, man.
Er is twee mannen.
That far is almost dead. Go.
Right.
I love
Yes.
the dance.
He's running away.
Had to. Oeh, yes.
Where'd he go?
I was gonna Braai the mine, but I think that might hurt.
He got me. Maybe I got a kill.
Man. Yes, don't stop.
Timmy, I got another kill.
Getting the hang of this now.
Now the hack works. You must just run into the people.
How'd you get here so fast?
Eish.
Get him.
Don't get him, don't get him. Run.
Spawn, Timmy, spawn. It's easier to catch you. You shot me, you swine.
Where'd he go?
That repair tool can shoot.
Modified extra.
Oh,
Oh, come across. Any cop, you got a headshot.
Headshot bonus with a repair tool. Shit.
Spitfire, hurry up and spawn already.
I'm coming.
It's two of them.
Just run away. Come to the door.
I'm dead already. You took too damn long.
ah. Land the chopper on him.
I got killed myself. Well, now the chopper's not a problem anymore.
Ik ben nog met binnen.
No, that wasn't your Vienna, believe me.
Hey, you stay away. See my torch.
Kijk, ik skip hem.
Hier vliegen maar niet buiten, ik kom nou thuis toe.
Zie,
Binnen.
dat is jump.
Just like...
Run.
Fuck sack.
Neem ze van een gedraai.
Oei, yes. Dat twee van hulle.
Hardloop, boetie.
Ek gaan. I'm gonna outrun them now.
I can't sprint any faster, come here.
Shoot him in the foot. Not.
Guy, stop them.
Oei, yes.
Hello, kill them.
Oké, chase hem licht.
And now,
Yo.
now don't stop, because if Thimia gets one of us, then we're screwed also. Yep, you see what I mean? Oh, yeah,
You got me.
Yo.
Okay, I'm going for the headshot now.
I'm gonna be headshots only.
Be advised, we've lost control of objective Bravo.
Oké, ik kom een kamikaze papa. Ik moet jullie nou bezoeken. Oké, Crusader, chase them outside. Hier kom ik.
Oh, yes, stuck.
Listen, you better hurry up, because I'm chasing one and one's chasing me.
I gotta get this quick, Holland.
Didn't
Hi, darling.
Didn't do too much, guys.
Hello? Yeah, hi. No, I'll keep trying.
Oh,
Ah, he got me.
Did he get you?
Yeah, he got me.
because I damaged you.
I had my wife on the phone. She says to me, while I was talking to her, I was busy laughing. She says, why are you laughing? I had to think quick. I said, no, I'm watching Comedy Hour. Yes. Dunk. Remember that program?
Oké, Crusader, klim.
I'll repair Salam.
Ja. Half modifications. Goed, dat is goed.
Where the hell are you flying to?
Doing donuts. Let's go. If I bail, you bail. Okay, bail.
Yes. Yes! Ek sê uit gas uit.
It's kamikaze already running.
Get it from the back.
Yo.
I'm busy getting chased myself, do you mind?
Wat spring je zo balas?
Kijk, that didn't work.
Oh, I tried to run away. You got a headshot. More into the space.
Just my luck, you know. Kamikaze gets headshots with repair tools. Gonna make another phone call quickly.
Whoops.
Get back here, soldier.
Turned my jet into a submarine.
Ah,
Yo, that's the first time in a while. Actually got me. Run away, run away, run
Where
away.
is he?
Run away.
Oh, cock. Now they're both here.
Run away.
Where you?
Yeah. Watch out behind you.
Yeah, that's why I'm coming to you.
Okay, go around by the side of the body.
Just you try. Objective
Watch out, watch out.
I wil even de helft heeft.
Hey, did I kill somebody? I managed to kill somebody. Yay!
I got the headshot. Okay, die kap is weer Hollands.
Just taking control of objective Bravo.
Watch out.
Oh. Repair tool, where's my repair tool?
Oh, okay, they both damaged. Just killed them.
I rolled that.
I got punished.
From where?
He's upstairs now.
Oh, we spotted at the same time. Listen. Okay. Crusader, you go that way. I go the other way. Get him.
Oh, cock. That wasn't clever.
Right? Sen kon ik het niet laten hier gooien.
My grenade more cock you.
Ik heb een nieuwe plan.
Kamikaze's found something he's good at.
Ah, brilliant. Where'd he go? Crusader, you want to see something?
Yeah, hang on. Wait.
Got a plan here.
Here they come.
Yeah. Okay, get ready. This is gonna be fun.
Die tank van u is tof, hè? Hoeveel more komt niks?
Also drives like it's ass.
It's not really 4x4, is it? Ja. Kan het alles doen.
Where are these two? Okay, there's one.
Ah, Samuel.
Did he just see for your ass? Oh, he C4'd my ass too. And his own. That was a suicide.
That's a good one. I have to go all the way back there again.
You think you can do a front flip with a chopper?
No, not with these ones.
Hey?
Not with these ones.
Okay, I'm gonna try to do a side flip.
No, good grenade. Ah! Somebody moved it free.
What was that?
I got C4'd.
But the man C4'd himself as well. You should have seen that from the other angle. Wow, this building is broken now. Yeah. That's a new thing. Check it out. I save it.
Have you never seen that before?
No.
Where have you been?
I'm gonna start crashing jets into this building.
Hello.
Where's the dawn of this thing?
Here's your ammo.
Soon to find out.
我发现了敌人。
Samir.
Yes, I left you a gift.
I'm not going to fucking follow you no more. Okay, this is my last death, then I'm going to bed.
Cool.
Keep an eye out for C4.
Just don't chase him. Weird kamikaze. Got question.
I saw that one.
Some more ammo for you.
We got both of us, all of us.
Alright.